difficulties in the tube processing, or you don't know how to choose a good quality tube spinning machine, welcome back to Hoston Spinning. Today I would like to present you our latest generation of WLN-DRS300 160. Under most of the circumstances, customer will require the tube spinning, especially necking in, more efficient and more precise. So there will be a higher demand of the machine structure, powerful hydraulic system, and integrated controlling system. We adopt this hydraulic servo clamping device, and the maximum processing capacity for this model is 160 mm diameter within the length of 800 mm, or 300 mm diameter within the length of 300 mm. Let's talk about the thickness. For cold spinning, the maximum capacity is 2 mm stainless steel or 3.5 mm carbon steel. Meanwhile, this model could be equipped with high-frequency oven. So, for cold spinning thickness, please contact us at www.hoston.cc.